Hey guys, it's Ralph Greenwood here, and today we're gonna do a mail call from Dwight Kerley. It's running a little late, but I've been doing a lot of things. Since the weather's gotten better, I've been outside quite a bit, doing plenty. So just a few words. If you guys like my content, if you're unsubscribed, you like my content, I've been putting out one video a month, but I want to try to get up to maybe one every 2 weeks or one every week. So if you like that, like and subscribe. Okay, let's get this box open. Okay, another box. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, he's got it taped on the side. Good and secure. All right. There's a note. Okay, little note from Dwight. It's up to you on painting. If I would go any smaller, it might not have much detail. I agree with that. Just depends. Oops, ooh. Oh, wow. Can we get a... Wow, pretty cool. I might have to, well, we'll see if I can put it on the turntable here. That is cool. Looks very much to me like in scale. It really does. It looks kind of like, well, the biggest bulldozer in the world, okay, is the ACCO Super, and it was put together with Caterpillar parts, but it wasn't a Caterpillar product. It was custom built. It was custom built for a land expansion thing in Libya in the 80s, and because of political things going on, it got held up and it never went there, and it's still in Italy. But that is the biggest bulldozer in the world. The blade and the let me get a pointer. This blade and this track formation look a lot like the ACCO, and I'm going to flash a picture of the ACCO here in a minute. And hey, Dwight, he sent me this in-scale gauge, track gauge from OVR Trains, which is Otter Valley Railroad. It's one that Sparky advertises for them a lot. Thanks, Dwight. That's cool. Really appreciate that, man. Okay, now we're gonna do, I'm just gonna pull a few measurements because this is It is, I can tell you, that's close to N scale. Now on the Cat D11, which is not the biggest bulldozer in the world, the ACCO Super is bigger, but the track gauge, which is the distance between the centers of each track, okay? Track gauge is 114 inches, which in scale is 0.713 inches, 0.712. We're right. We're a little off, but we're pretty close there. Pretty close. And then width of outside of track, which is 0.888, and it's probably going to be a little bit more, but close, it's close. That's 0.888 right there. So we're close. And we're going to take some of the ACCO measurements as well. Height is okay, the height of it is 0.750. If I can get it to come in here. There we go. That should be the height. Now that's for an ACCO Super, which we are very close. We are very close. 40 feet, the length is 40 feet, which is 3 inches. Okay, I did take the actual length of this. Now this is without a ripper on it. It's just regular blade from all the way back to the back of the tracks. It was 1.375 inches, which if that was taken to actual, out of N scale, an actual length, that would be 18 feet. It'd be 18 feet and 4 inches. That was how long this would be, which the D11 would be 337.8 inches, which I don't know how many feet that would be. Maybe somebody in the comments could tell me. Okay. But hey, Dwight, thank you very much. I do like that. I could, yeah, I can paint this up. Do a little bit of cleaning on it and paint it up. And so that's it. Turn my stuff off here. Okay. Thank you very much, Dwight. You guys stay tuned. I am working on projects and got stuff going all the time. So stay tuned. You guys have a good day. Talk at you later. Thanks. Bye.